Today let's talk about one of my favorite lights for photography and videography, the Aputure MC RGB Light. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, photographer or just someone who loves creative lighting, these lights are definitely worth considering. I actually bought two of them when they're on sale for around 80 bucks, and that's why I want to talk about a couple of reasons why the Aputure MC RGB lights are worth it. For me, one of the standout features of the Aputure MC RGB lights is their ability to produce all kind of colors. With a wide color gamut and color temperature control, you can easily match any scene, mood or ambience. Whether you're going for warm, cold or any color in between, these lights are perfect if you want to have a versatile solution to create the perfect lighting environment. The RGB lights also offer brightness and color adjustments, allowing you to fine-tune your lighting to perfection. The intuitive control panel gives you full control, and that's super helpful, especially if you need a small and compact light on set. On top, you can also use these lights to create some special effects. From candlelight flicker to lightning, police lights and more, these lights can instantly transform the atmosphere of your scene. I definitely need to say that I don't really use these effects. For me, the color range and the basic light are the top reasons to use them, but in some situations it could be great to have a couple of small lights that can handle these kind of things as well. So if you're looking for some versatile lights, definitely check them out. And since I've already mentioned versatility, let's talk about the size and design as well. I actually bought them because they are small and bright lights that I can easily mount to my camera cages. If we take a look at the design, we can see that it features everything that you need to set up the light, and it still keeps a small and compact size that is not too heavy. Basically, the Aputure MC RGB lights are designed to seamlessly integrate into your existing gear setup. You can easily attach these lights to tripods, rigs or camera accessories, and this integration ensures that your lighting setup remains stable and secure. So yeah, at the end of the day, this allows you to focus on your creative process without worrying about your camera gear at all. Of course, I definitely need to mention that these lights won't replace any huge softboxes, but especially for on-the-go video recordings, photography sessions or even as a background light, they are top notch. So yeah, the Aputure MCB lights are compact and portable, and they fit easily into all kind of camera bags, making them a perfect match for on-the-go sessions. On top, their wireless capabilities and the built-in battery means that you can set up and control the light with ease, whether you're in a studio or on location shootings. Plus, they can be mounted nearly anywhere using a magnet, and that makes them incredibly versatile and adaptable to various setups. For me, these lights are actually a perfect solution for a variety of situations, and yes, investing in lighting equipment that can withstand the demands of various shooting environments is crucial. So yeah, the construction and the high quality materials make these lights sturdy and reliable even in challenging conditions. So whether you are shooting indoors or outdoors, you can absolutely trust these lights. The next reason that we need to talk about is of course the battery life, and here I need to mention that I decided to buy two of them just to be sure that I won't run into any problems. Of course, the MC RGB lights are designed to keep up with your creative demands. With one of them you can shoot for around 2 hours at maximum brightness without worrying about any issues. This actually ensures that you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without constantly needing to recharge. But as I already mentioned, I bought two of them because 2 hours at maximum brightness can be an issue in some situations, so having a backup light is the way to go. But yeah, all in all, I definitely need to say that the Aputure MC RGB lights are great lights for anyone who needs professional lighting solutions for a variety of situations. Especially the compact size and these great versatile features make them for me an essential tool for photographers and filmmakers. I can highly recommend to buy two of them just to have a backup, and I highly recommend to buy them on sale to save some bucks here. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.